In this lecture, we will study hash functions, their different types, and the properties of a good hash function. This topic is very important from both exam point of view and practical implementation in data structures. A hash function is a function which converts a given key into an index value of a hash table. The main purpose of a hash function is to store and retrieve data very fast. Using hash functions, searching, insertion, and deletion operations become efficient. Now let us understand the division method. In this method, the hash value is obtained by taking the remainder when the key is divided by the table size. The formula is h of k equals k mod m. This method is very simple and fast, but we must choose the table size carefully, preferably a prime number, to reduce collisions. Next is the multiplication method. In this method, the key is multiplied by a constant value between 0 and 1. Then the fractional part is used to calculate the index. This method gives better distribution of keys and is less dependent on table size compared to division method. Now let us see the mid-square method. In this method, first the key is squared. Then we extract the middle digits of the result to get the hash value. This method provides good distribution, especially when keys are similar, but it requires slightly more computation. If we compare all three methods, the division method is very simple, but its efficiency depends on table size. The multiplication method provides better and more uniform distribution. The mid-square method is good for avoiding clustering but needs extra calculation. So, the choice of hash function depends on the application. Now, let us discuss the properties of a good hash function. A good hash function should distribute keys uniformly in the hash table. It should produce minimum collisions. Also, it must be deterministic, meaning the same key should always generate the same hash value. A good hash function should be fast to compute. It should make proper use of all table locations. Even a small change in the key should result in a different hash value. These properties help in improving the overall performance of the hash table. To conclude, hash functions play a very important role in data structures. Different hash functions have different efficiencies. A good hash function improves data retrieval efficiency by reducing collisions and ensuring uniform distribution. These concepts are widely used in databases, compilers, and real-world applications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with new content. Your support means a lot. Thanks again.